friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of March the 30th to April the 5th. And by the photo you can see this is a very heavy detergent cheapy week. And it's going to be absolutely fantastic and lots of really great new deals. We have a new month over at Walgreens, so that is really fantastic. If you go to the top of your digital coupons folder, we have 3 boosters. These are all for online only. So on Monday, I will have a video with all of the different curbside videos to use these to their maximum potential. That top one, I'm wondering if we'll also get back a $10 register reward when you spend $30 in store. We'll have to see if it's stickered, but this is the one that has a lot of us excited. Currently now it's online only, but will a register reward also be printing in store? We'll have to wait and see what happens, right? If you could do me a huge solid and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful, just to ensure this video doesn't end up, somewhere, missing on YouTube. If you could like this video, I'd be so grateful. Thank you so much, guys. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, March the 30th in the Walgreens app. And as stated, we have a new month, so there's going to be a lot of new P&G digital coupons. The first deal that we're going to look at is 2 different freebies. The first one is with the Colgate for $4.50. We're going to have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, $5 reward when you purchase 2. So grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $9 on the nose, $4.50 times 2, 9. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 5. Get back a $5 register reward, making it free. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Currently, if you have a paper booster, that's the only one you can use because most of us didn't get a digital booster, so just to keep that in mind. And the next freebie is with the $3.50 Oral-B or Crest products, and it says $2 coupon, so I'm assuming we're going to get a $2 off on each. Grabbing 1 of each, it'll be $7. Subtracting $4 in digital coupons, we're going to pay 3. Get back a $3 register reward, making it free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, if we get a $2 for the paste and $1 for the brush, it'll be $1 for the 2 items or 50 cents per, in case the coupons are a little bit less. And again, this is a preview video. Deal that we're going to look at is the most cheapest $6 Head and Shoulder shampoo, $3 reward when you purchase 2, and probably a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these for $12, subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay 9. Get back a $3 register reward. IBOTTA currently, mine has $1.50 back when you purchase 2. So it'll make it $4.50 for the 2 or $2.25 per bottle. Again, it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I'm delighted again to see this very cheap Head and Shoulders, a product that everybody loves, especially in my household. We also have this that's back, which is the $1.99 Arm & Hammer. That usually includes the scent beads, liquid detergent, and the laundry pods. So if you wanted to grab, say, 5 of these for $9.95 and use $10 in Walgreens cash or a culmination of register rewards in Walgreens cash, by all means, especially if you're a newer couponer really trying to build your stockpile, when the Arm & Hammer, especially those scent beads, are $1.99, that is the time to stock up. We have the 4 laundry care products by P&G. Get back a $5 register reward. And if you look, it's Bounce, Downy, and Tide. It's not only simply just Tide, it's a whole mess of items. So I like it better when it's more of a diverse group of items. So we have higher digital coupons. Okay, so mix and matching 4 different P&G laundry care products that's tagged. It's $21.96. It's $5.49 times 4. That's how I'm getting the math. Subtracting your digital coupons, I'm assuming it's going to be at least 5. You'll pay $16.96, get back a $5 register reward, making it $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 per laundry care product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. but what a deal. I love this one. $5.99 for the Persil with a $2 digital coupon. We're going to have to load that. And I know a lot of you prefer Persil over Tide. IBOTTA currently has a $2 back for the 40 ouncer, which I think is the smaller one. So we'll have to make sure this rebate is still there and scan it in store on Sunday. But grabbing one of these for $5.99, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $3.99. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $2 back. It makes the jug of Persil $1.99. Again, we're going to have to make sure the rebate with IBOTTA is there and it's attaching. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster as well. The gain for $9.99, I think the liquid and probably one of the like fabric softener products, they'll all be a $3 digital coupon for both. So grabbing two at $9.99 a pop, that's $19.98. Subtracting $6 in digitals, one for your liquid and say one for the fireworks, you'll pay $13.98. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $9.98 for the two or $4.99 per laundry care product. Again, you're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. All right, now we're looking at the $7.99 Venus and Gillette disposable razors. I think we're going to get a $3 off of each. So grabbing one of each, a men and a women's, that's going to be $15.98. Subtracting $6 in digital coupons, you'll pay $9.98 out of pocket. Get back a $3 register reward for purchasing two, making it $6.98 for the two or $3.49 per pack of razors. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Kind of happy to see a little deal here with the soft soap and the Irish Spring bar soap for $5.99. It says up to $4 off, so I'm wondering if that's going to be a 4 off 2 digital coupon. I'm really hoping that it might be. So grabbing two of these, it'd be $11.98. Let's go for those big hand soaps. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'd pay $7.98 for the two or $3.99 for a very large hand soap. Again, it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. There's nothing back for this one, so I mean, it's just a great little deal for some cheap hand soap, especially for the new couponers who are building a stockpile. Now we're going to talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one goes to Febreze. That's $3.29. We're going to have a $2.30 off of one digital coupon, dropping this can of the Air Effects down to 99 cents. That's a very good stock up price for a Febreze product. We also have the Brawny and Quilted Northern for $6.99, $3 reward when you purchase two. Last month, they had dollar digitals for both. It's a higher quality paper product. You know, I'm always talking about it. So possibly we can make something happen. I also know Checo 51 for the longest time had 50 cents back for Angel Soft. So if something reappears on Sunday, that might be a smart deal. And we also have this Dove, but I don't know the digital coupons that are going to be there. It's $8 and then a $2 reward when you purchase two. If we can make something happen, possibly a deal here. With the Unilever coupons, we have to wait and see what appears. And we also have the Purex, buy one, get two for free. If that's your thing, this is a very good stock up price as well. This is back again, the buy one, get two for free on the Walgreens brand Complete Home Food Storage Bags. For the first one, you'll pay $2.79. The other two are free. It makes it 93 cents per box of 20 bags, which is a fantastic price point. The drumsticks, I mean, this just looks really delicious. 2 for $11. I mean, you have $10 of Walgreens cash to throw into this. Maybe you need a treat. I certainly would buy this in a previous life. And I know we've been finding a lot of clearance. The Toms of Maine, I mean, if you can find some of this on clearance and test it out, buy two, will a $2 register reward print. That would be just fantastic. But typically when this stuff is 50%, it gets cleared out around here. Tons and tons of clearance the last couple of days found over at Walgreens. I'll link a video right here. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.